New name, same Sam. Hi everybody, this is Sam with the new Python data and more. Thanks for joining us. It has been a very long time. I think 18 months, coming up on 18 months. So thank you everyone who's been hanging in there. Thank you everyone who's new. There is a ton that we need to catch up on. New job, new technologies, promotion, new skill sets, how it all intertwines, Python, PySpark, data modeling, data engineering, tech lead, CI/CD development, pipelines, jobs, Databricks, YAMLs, ingestion pipelines, streaming tables. Oh my gosh, I don't even know if I've talked about this. Grandparenthood. There has just been, I think if you've only watched videos, you have not been able to see the live streams because those are hits or miss, and they're usually a while. So and at obscure times. So we have a tremendous amount to get back to. I'm going to be sharing everything, talking about the new adventures, personally and professionally, how they intertwine, and the more is probably going to be personal development, talking about jujitsu, how they interact and intertwine with programming and problem solving and engineering best practices, process rigor. I mean, the amount of overlap, or I guess Venn diagram, overlap between what I was learning and where I was learning at the end of my time at Walmart in the building, and as it moved over to the data analytics. And then that set the groundwork, because I was totally unaware that I was actually at the beginnings of a journey of data engineering until I started applying for jobs. So we have so much to cover. So for everybody who has hung in there, thank you. And for everyone who's new, hold on to your hat, because we have a lot to go over, a lot to share, a lot to learn, and a lot to grow. Because the new role that I have now, so not only did I get a new job, but then last month, I got promoted, and it is basically a tech lead role. I'm a lieutenant for the data guy in our organization. I need to be very, very careful. Because I don't need any sort of attacks. Actually, speaking of work, the sheer volume of jobs that happen, and because I'm in charge of production support, so I have direct reports, and then I assist leading the team. So it's crazy. It is absolutely crazy. But we'll get into all of it. But make sure you're hitting the like button, subscribe button. Please drop any comments, questions, video requests. I'm going to really focus on how I migrated, because actually at work next week or the week after, I'm going to be on a panel at for a local school of different paths of how to get into technology. So I know that was rambly, but thank you again, everybody. And stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye guys.